Audio is the most important thing to the puzzle when it comes to video, streaming, content creation. When you're first starting out, you don't really have to go and get the most expensive stuff. There's a lot of budget options out there that work really well. And today we're going to be reviewing one of those. I'm going to show you guys some test footage and audio sound in Zoom, YouTube, pretty much anywhere that you can use this. You will be able to use this because this microphone is a plug and play option. I'm actually using it right now to record this portion of the video. This is cool, man, because I'm pretty far away from my camera. My camera's like way over there. Here is the camera microphone right now from the distance. And now this is the Maono's microphone that I'm just kind of holding chilling in my hand. Let's jump right into the video. YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Will. I'm a content creator right here on YouTube, making videos revolving around desk setups, tech for your desk, and tech reviews. If that is something you guys are into, please consider hitting subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so that way when we do another tech review video, you can come back and you can hang out with us. Today we are reviewing the portable USB microphone kit AU-PM461TR. That is like a very long name. It costs about $27.99 in the US. This microphone could be good for recording audio like voiceovers. This could be good for gaming, streaming. This microphone is compatible with Mac and PC. Maono did provide me this microphone for testing purposes. I did not get paid or sponsored or anything to say anything good about this microphone. We're just going to be testing it out, and really the proof will be in the pudding because you're going to be able to check out all of the side-by-side tests and you can determine if this is a good choice for you. Let's start with the unboxing. Straight off the bat, I will say I am digging Maono's color scheme with their box. I don't know why. I like packaging. First thing you get out of this is going to be your user manual and also the product information which you will need in order to get this all connected and hooked up correctly. Next thing you get out of the unboxing is going to be the windscreen. You also will receive a 3-inch tripod. The next thing you get is a 59-inch USB-B to USB-A cable, and then you also get your mic stand clip. My first impressions of this microphone is the microphone feels really cheap, to be honest with you. The shell is made out of plastic, and I'm assuming that's because the microphone is a budget option. This is a cardioid condenser microphone, which in simple terms, it basically means that it picks up more of sound from the front versus the sides and the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, hey. So on this microphone, you do have a mic gain knob. So what the knob basically is for is so if you want to move further away from the microphone and you need more gain, you can twist the knob so that way you can increase the sensitivity of the microphone to pick up your voice if you're further away. You can tilt the microphone either forward or backward at a 180-degree angle. This is a plug and play device, but you will have to do a little bit of work to get this actually going. I use a Mac, so you go into the settings, you click on your sound, you go to input, and then you'll find a device that says USB condenser microphone, and that is going to be your Maono USB microphone. If you want to use this with PC, inside of the user manual, it literally tells you exactly how to do it, but it's very simple. We're gonna go now and look at all of the test footage that I took with this microphone, and you guys can determine if it's something good or bad for you and your setup. Let's go. Test footage, Will. Take it over from here. I am 12 inches away from this microphone, and I wanted to do a side-by-side with this microphone that we're reviewing today versus the webcam's microphone. Now this webcam is the Nevius webcam that I did a review on. It was a budget option as well, so maybe check that video out. But this is the audio coming out of this microphone here. So now this is the microphone from the webcam. So how does this microphone compare to that microphone. I've used this microphone in multiple other applications like Zoom, iMovie, Twitch, but right now I'm doing it directly into Premiere Pro. I have my gain set to 12 o'clock. It is saying I could actually go up a little bit. Let me go up. I want to get it to -6. Hey. Now I'm fully up. This is a good reference to see how this sounds. Now I'm going to go back up to 12 o'clock. And this is at 12 o'clock. So how does this sound? I am about -12. And now I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Hey, 1, 2. So even on the negative portion of this microphone, which you would think would be mute, it actually is still coming through. And all it did was turn the sensitivity of the microphone down. I guess the point that they were trying to do with the button is so if you are further away from the microphone, you can quickly adjust the sensitivity to pick up the microphone. Now I'm in a regular room. This isn't sound treated or anything. So this should be probably like the most cleanest audio that I can possibly get out of this microphone. So this is a good show and tell of how it sounds. I guess while I'm here real quick, I got my keyboard right in front of me because I know somebody's going to ask me, does it pick up keyboard noise? This is the keyboard test. So if I was gaming, I'm not really sure how hard you would hit buttons on games, but I'm just randomly moving the mouse and pressing buttons on the keyboard. So how bad is it? My MacBook fans are like blazing right now. The computer is at arm's reach right here, like literally like right here. So let me know if you can hear that. Let me be silent for a second. I am now in YouTube Live just to, test this out. And I hope I'm private so nobody looks at this. And YouTube, this works as well. I mean, it's going to work. It's a plug and play option. So you're going to be able to use this microphone on any device that has microphone input. Where you can choose the microphone input. All you have to do is go to the microphone input and it's going to say USB condenser microphone inside of OBS Studios. Again, you just click on the microphone input. Make sure you choose the device that says USB condenser microphone, which is this microphone right here. Right now you're listening to the Maono's microphone. That's what this sounds like. I'm the same distance as I was from the $30 microphone, and this microphone cost me $100. It's more professional because it uses XLR, but you will have to buy an audio interface in order to get this to work. I'm using a M-Audio M-Track 2x2 audio interface, and I think that was $100. And this microphone definitely cost me $100. I've used this before to record music. It is a condenser microphone, which is pretty much the same as the $30 microphone, but the build quality is much better because it's metal. Okay guys, so I've been testing this microphone out for like the past day or two, and this is my final thoughts. Number one, what I've noticed is in streaming platforms as far as Zoom, it felt like the microphone was being compressed. Now I did look inside of the Zoom audio settings, and you can switch between 3 or 4 different settings for the microphone. I think Zoom does that to make it easier for people who just want to have a conference call. In order to get the cleanest audio out of this, I had to actually open up my editing software, which is Premiere Pro, in order to get like the clean audio, which I did in the beginning part and also what's being recorded right now. But in my opinion, I think that the audio still sounds really good, especially for the $27-$30 budget price point that this microphone is at. The microphone is pretty much kind of geared towards pretty much any type of use, and I could totally see that. I could definitely see somebody using this for a stream, for YouTube, for Twitch. On the Amazon page, it does says that this can be used with PS4, but I don't have a PS4 to test it out. But if you're watching this and you know for sure that it does work with PS4 or Xbox, please write down in the comment section to let everybody know. So That way it could be helpful to somebody else. But again, this is a plug and play microphone. This isn't like a super professional microphone, but if you're on a budget and you only got about $30, I think that this is a really great option. So let's do real quickly pros and cons. Pros would be very simple setup. You just plug and play. Another pro for me, that this microphone actually sounds really good for the price, in my opinion. Now, as far as the cons for me, it's cheaply made, but again, I guess that's because it's a budget option. It's $30. I mean, you can't really complain. I'm not even sure if that's really a con at this point. You can't expect like perfect build quality out of a budget microphone. I will leave links for this microphone down in the description if you want to check it out. If you pick it up and you use my link, it will give me a small little commission. Let me know down in the comment section, how do you feel about the microphone? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, at least got some good information about this microphone, or maybe even learned something throughout the process of the video. And if you did, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram. Come holla at me on IG. I'm just rambling at this point, but thank you for watching. I'ma holla at y'all next week in my next video. Deuces.